Hi everyone, welcome to this Weebly tutorial for beginners in 2019, and in this part we're gonna learn about this. Okay, so in this Weebly tutorial we're gonna learn how we can create a free logo to our business website, and we're gonna add the logo right here in the top header. So first we're gonna go and create the logo. So we're gonna do this at canva.com. So you can just sign up for a free account, and after that you can search for logo, hit enter. Okay, so in the menu right here you see free templates that we can use. So I'm gonna find a template for a restaurant, and in this theme I'm using right now, the height is quite small, so we need to have a logo like this one. Otherwise the logo is gonna get quite small and we're not gonna see the text inside it. Alright, so we're gonna do our best to make a great logo with this height. Okay, so we're gonna find a restaurant logo. Okay, so I'm gonna click right here, so restaurant logo, click on all and find a great logo for restaurants or other logo within your niche. Okay, so let's say I want to have this one, and I recommend you to change the background to white, because otherwise you need to create a transparent logo, and that would cost you $12 per month, and in this case we're going to create a free logo. So change the color to white, and we're going to change the text to maybe black, like that, and we can change this one to other colors. So you see white, green and green. So let's say I want to change these to red, blue and green, like that. Okay, so I want to make this more closer to the text. So we're gonna change the text first. Okay, so we're gonna make this bigger, like that, and we're gonna have this next to each other. So we're gonna change the font right here. Okay, something like that. And now we want to make this line more closer to the text. So I'm gonna click right here, and I'm gonna click on this one, ungroup, like that. And now we can move this up, like that. And I can click on the text and make it bigger right here. Click on this one, maybe 56, 64, too big. So I can change it right here as well, 60, like that. And I'm gonna move this down. Okay, so just play around and find a good template for your business. And in this case, in this theme, we're gonna try to have the height as small as possible. So after that, just click on download, choose PNG, click on download. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the website and upload it, and hold the mouse over the logo. So now you can choose to click on off to remove the logo. Click on text, so you can change this text if you only want to have a text logo, like that. But in my case we're gonna have a logo, so I'm gonna click on logo, and then I'm gonna click on this one, trash can, click on that, remove, yes. And now we're gonna click on logo one more time, and now we're gonna upload our own customized logo from Canva. So click on upload a photo from your computer, Okay, so choose your logo, click on open. Okay, so as you can see it's quite small, so we need to edit this one. You can also choose this one to resize, but this one is the biggest. So let's go to edit and go to crop and crop around the logo as much as you can, like that. And on the other side, like that. Then click on back and click on save. Okay, so hold over resize image right here and make it bigger and release. And as you can see, the line is too close to the text. I don't know why, so I'm just gonna go back and move it down a little, like that. And I'm gonna click on save and just upload it one more time. Okay, so now the line is good right here. Make it bigger. Okay, so now we have our logo in place. I hope you also have a good logo in place, so we can start to build the rest of our website. Alright, so let's go to part number 3. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this part. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. And if you want to know how you can market your website, just click on right here and sign up for my newsletter on how to market your business for free. Okay, you can also go to the next part, just click on this image for the next part. Alright, so see you there.